Hello everyone. Today we are learning about TypeScript. What we will learn in this session is what is TypeScript, why TypeScript is used, installing TypeScript in 2 minutes, and first TypeScript file .ts versus .ts file explained. So first is what is TypeScript. TypeScript is statically typed compiled superset of JavaScript. This means it has optional static typing to JavaScript, which helps catch errors earlier and improves code readability. Think of TypeScript as a JavaScript with more power and a bit of safety. Means by use it is same as JavaScript, but it will give tell us errors at the compile time. So when running the code, we will get more readability to improve the code and will not face any errors at runtime. Why TypeScript? Let's talk about the main reason developers are switching to TypeScript over JavaScript. First is static typing. TypeScript introduces static types. This means we can declare types for your variables, function parameters, and return values. TypeScript then checks that your code follows the expected types, helping to catch bugs before you run your code. Second is better tooling. The TypeScript compiler provides better tooling such as auto-completion, inline documentation, and error checking within your editor. This means your development process becomes faster and more efficient. Third is scalability. As your projects grow, TypeScript makes maintaining and refactoring your code base much easier. The strict typing and structure make it clearer and more predictable. Improved collaboration. In a team, the type system helps everyone stay on the same page about what data types to expect, and it reduces confusion. Now installing TypeScript in 2 minutes. Alright, let's get TypeScript set up on your machine in just 2 minutes. It's fast and easy. So step 1 is install Node.js. If you have not already installed Node.js, head over to the nodejs.org and download the latest version. Just follow the installation steps for your platform. Now step 2 is install TypeScript. Once Node.js is installed, open your terminal and type the following command to install TypeScript globally. npm install -c TypeScript. Now the TypeScript is installed. We can also check the version to verify the installation by this command tsc -hyphen version. My version is 5.8.3. And that's it. TypeScript is now installed and ready to go. So now we'll discuss first TypeScript file .ts versus .js. Now that we have got TypeScript installed, let's write our first TypeScript file. We have to create a new file with .ts extension. I will name mine hello.ts. Now write TypeScript code, open the file and write the following code. Let message :string equals to hello TypeScript and then console.log message. Let message :string equals to hello, comma, TypeScript exclamation mark and semicolon. And after this, console log message and then semicolon and save. Here's what happening. We declare a variable message and specify that it's of TypeScript. Like I type your message with type is string. TypeScript ensures that the message will always hold a string, so if we accidentally try to assign a number, we will get an error. .ts versus .js. You might be wondering what's the difference between .ts and .js. .ts files are TypeScript files. They can contain static types, interfaces, and other TypeScript specific features. .js files are JavaScript files which are not type-checked and are more flexible but prone to runtime errors. So .ts files give us extra tools that help catch errors early, and they need to be compiled into .js files to run in the browser or Node.js. And that's your first TypeScript file, or this topic is completed. Now we will discuss about basics of TypeScript. We will discuss data types and annotations, built-in data types, arrays and tuples. Okay. So introduction to TypeScript basic. TypeScript provides strict type checking for JavaScript, help prevents runtime errors, makes code more readable, scalable, and maintainable. Focus of this module is data types and type annotations, built-in data types, arrays, and tuples. So first is data types and type annotations. Type annotations define the expected type of a variable. Example, let username colon string is equal to Alice. So here we will define that Alice is a string value. Our next example is let age colon number equals to 25. Here it is defined that 25 is a number. So third is let a student colon boolean equals to 2. Means that our a student is a boolean value because it is showing true or it can also show false. Bullet points. TypeScript automatically infers type, but explicit types are better for clarity. It will prevent accidental type mismatches. Now there are built-in data types which are already defined in TypeScript, like string equals to hello, number is equal to 42, 3.14, and -10 also. Boolean is true or false. Any can be of any type. Null is null and undefined is undefined. Means we haven't defined any value to this. Now arrays and tuples. Arrays are written like this. Let fruit colon string and array brackets equals to array, and in double quotes it is written apple comma banana and mango. Tuples are written like this. Let person colon string comma number equals to array bracket ls comma 25. And tuples have a fixed length and defined types like this, string and number. Okay guys, this is our today's session. You can contact us on these details. Thanks for watching guys. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you guys.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.